So everybody said the Maverick is loud and proud when Liverpool is winning. And we go silent when the team and the coach start struggle. Well, let me address that forthwith. By modern Liverpool standards, we are struggling right now. We cannot put a string of results together. We hot and we cold. We beat Manchester City and then we lose to Nottingham Forest and Leeds. We're coming from a high last season of attempting the unprecedented quadruple to fighting relegation. Now, it's a bitter pill to swallow. And the scariest thing about it is that the boss, Jurgen Klopp, look confused, like he don't know the problem, so he cannot fix it. Yes. My layman Maverick view is that the spine of the team has gotten old and stale, and the youngsters who Klopp believe in so much, them not ready yet. Darwin Núñez came in to replace Sadio Mane, and him flop. Yes. Plus injuries have beat him bad, and the bench lacks depth and quality. Thus Liverpool is struggling. Yes. So here the Maverick talk now. We're not saying Klopp out at yet, but the struggle is real. Yes. But we still as the Liverpool for life. Never walk alone, no itch, and we will never switch.